Hey guys, so I got some Veronica's Kitchen. This is the jollof rice with plantains, and with the combo it comes with the red stew chicken. This pairs with the jollof rice, and also I got some okra stew. This is my go-to. I get all the time, and I eat that with fufu right here. As you can see, first I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna try. This is my first time eating the jollof rice. I always just get this okra stew. So let's taste this. This is good. A bit well seasoned. I'm gonna try some of this stew, red stew, some of this sauce. Oh, that's good. All right, take a bite of that chicken. That's good. Definitely 10 out of 10. This plantains is good and sweet. The stew is like a tomato. Sometimes I don't know what they make it with, but it's good. You can tell you use tomato in it though. Now let's try the fufu and the okra. The okra stew with tripe and beef. Let's open this baby up. Okay. Okay. Okay, now begin somewhere. Remind me of me. Nice and fluffy and soft. All right. Give me a little ball. You want to roll it up like that. And then we're going to dip it in there, scoop it up. All right. It's a little hot. Yeah, this always hit the spot every time. You know, when it comes to tripe, gotta take your time in chewing it. It's pretty thick. The fufu is a little, it's not as thick as usual. but still good. I eat so much Nigerian food, y'all. You would really think that I'm a Nigerian. That's how much I eat it. Mm. The beef is nice and tender. It's a seasoned to perfection. Ten out of 10. Definitely recommend. So yeah, that was delicious. That red stew and jollof rice was the star of the show. That right there, yeah. I'm not even putting extras on it. I love all their food, and especially the goosey fire. I just had that last week. So yeah, Veronica's Kitchen in Inglewood. Go check them out.